Digital preservation of ancient architecture is a race against time and demands the power of cutting-edge technology. With advanced 3D digitization, Shining 3D and OmniSLAM have joined forces to redefine heritage conservation. The object of this scan is Shijiazhuang Flower Hall. It covers about 739 square meters, renowned for its exquisite wood craftsmanship and unique architectural style. So, this scanning project required both high efficiency and fine detail capture. The OmniSLAM team carried an R8 Plus mobile SLAM color 3D laser scanner, walking through the complex. A single 15-minute non-stop scan captured the entire structure of the ancient complex. The rapid large scene reconstruction provided a precise framework for the detailed surveying that followed. Then Shining 3D engineers went inside. Using the EinScan Libre, a wireless all-in-one handheld 3D scanner with blue laser infrared light sources, they scanned all the beautiful brackets, carvings, and painted details. EinScan Libre runs on wireless tech. No computer, no power cord needed. This makes it highly flexible and portable for on-site heritage documentation. It delivers accuracy up to 0.04 mm. In its laser HD mode, the minimum point spacing is just 0.05 mm. This allows precise capture of the delicate corbels and brackets, preserving every detail of the ancient building. When the big picture and the tiny details come together in digital space, that's where the magic happens. With smart data fusion, what used to take days now takes just a few hours. From the whole structure down to every single carving. Every inch of the building gets an accurate digital copy. Precision without limits. Details make the difference. Shining 3D and OmniSLAM guard history with innovation and give the past a new life in the digital world.